Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In today's video, we are going to solve a very important question from Module 4, Properties of Context-Free Languages. So the question is, convert the given grammar to the Chomsky Normal Form. Here a grammar given and we have to convert this grammar into a CNF. So what is the condition which is required to be a grammar as in Chomsky Normal Form is CNF having two conditions. First is a variable implies a two variables like a and b, and one more condition is there, a variable implies a single terminal. For example, s implies ab or s implies a. These two conditions should be fulfilled by any grammar to be a Chomsky normal form. So our step 1 is to eliminate epsilon. Wherever the epsilon is there, we have to eliminate that. So here a implies epsilon, so this is an epsilon production, so I have to eliminate this. So how I will eliminate? I will put the value of a in the s, because here is also an a variable and here also an a variable, so the grammar becomes s implies a, and I will write all these productions. Now I am putting this a as an epsilon, so what is the new production is there is a, so I am not writing it here because it is already here. Now in the second one, this one becomes a b b, and we remove the epsilon as I am putting the value of a in the given grammar as an epsilon. So now b a and b, and if I am putting this a as an epsilon, it will becomes one more production here which is a. Now our step 2 is to eliminate the unit productions from the given grammar. So now our step 2, eliminate unit productions. So here in the grammar only one unit production is there, s implies a b. Unit productions are those productions in which a single variable implies a single variable, like variable implies variable. This is a unit production and we have to eliminate this. So how I will eliminate this s implies b? I will put the value of whole b production in the s. So like this, put production of b in s. So the grammar becomes s implies a, and this will be a and b. I am putting the whole value of b in this s production, so rest will be the same, a b b, a and b. Now there is not having any unit production. Sorry, this is p, and here one more is a, here also a. As we already know that s already having a production a, so I will not write this production again in this s production. So I will write again this as in a simple way, a and b. Now a is becoming a b and b is an a b and a. Now this is after eliminating unit productions. And also in the grammar we can see that there is not having any useless productions, all the variables having terminals. So no useless production now in the grammar. So now we will change this to an Chomsky normal form. So how we will do this? We will see here, intermediate productions, we call this intermediate productions. So in this we substitute s as an small a, and we will let this a as an ta of a, and this will becomes a of ta b and a, and we will writing this as an ta implies a, not this one, terminal a. So now this becomes two variables, s implies two variables, which is the form of Chomsky normal form. Now this is fulfilling these conditions of CNF. So like this I have to do for all these productions. So now a implies TA of BB, and B implies A TA of B comma A. Now here we can see that one more, here having three different variables, so I have to eliminate anyone. So how I will do this? I will let a M variable which denoting TA of B. Now this whole things become one variable, and this is one variable, which means that a variable implies two different variables, which is a form of Chomsky normal form. So the final grammar will become in the Chomsky normal form is S implies A TA of A of TA, and B, because A is already there, so I will not repeat it again. Now A variable implies M is nothing but TA of B. Now M and B. Now for the B production, A, TA, B and A. Now the whole thing is covered in this Chomsky normal form, and it follows both the conditions to be a CNF. So like this, you have to convert the given grammar into a Chomsky normal form. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.